Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Jeep Wrangler hood. First, locate the two rubber hood latches on the exterior of your Jeep, one on each side. Gently pull each latch handle outwards, then lift them upwards to release the tension. Make sure both latches are completely disengaged from their hooks. This initial step is crucial for safely accessing your engine bay. It's a simple process once you know where to look. With the exterior latches released, gently lift the front edge of the hood a few inches. Now, reach your hand into the gap you've created, right in the center. You'll feel a small safety catch lever. Push this lever firmly to the left. This action disengages the secondary safety mechanism, allowing the hood to open completely. It's a quick and easy step to ensure full access. Hey everyone, if you're finding these steps helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: whether you're under the hood or out on the trails, staying hydrated is key. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and see other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the safety catch is released, lift the hood all the way up. It will feel light and easy to maneuver. Now, look for the hood prop rod, typically located near the radiator or front grille. Detach it from its clip. Then, carefully insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole on the underside of the hood. This secures the hood firmly in the open position, preventing it from accidentally closing while you work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.